I'm back. I received a new cordless angle grinder to my shop, to my studio, to make a little presentation and unboxing. What I want to tell you, I'm not sponsored by Bosch, I just present you the tools. So here we have a professional Bosch cordless angle grinder. Is brand new, is on 18-volt platform. Okay, is equivalent with 800 watt with T14 and have also a brushless motor. In this set it comes without the battery, as you see here. So this is the box. Let's see here some features, what they say. So the model is GWS18V -8. This is the model of it. Is have restart protection, have a soft start, which is very useful. Is an ergonomic handle and the kickback control also. And the technical data, which we can write here, that this diameter is 115 or 125 millimeters, so you can use both of diameters. Spindle thread is M14, no load speed, have 11,000 of RPM, which is very good. The weight without the battery is 1.7 kilo. Okay, let's open it to see what we have inside. Let's make a little unboxing. Let's see what we have inside. So we have the handle, Bosch. Okay, we have some protection. We have the manual, GWS18V-8 professional line. Here another manuals. I'm not interested. Here we are the fixing plates. A classic key for change the disc. Another protection is from metal. And then the beast. So this is the cordless angle grinder from Bosch. As I told you, is a brushless motor. From my opinion, is small. I like it. As I told you, it can be used with 125 millimeters M14 disc. Where is made this? Is made in China. Good. Let's see the handle. The handle can be installed on left side or on the right side, like this. Like this. I see you cannot install it on top of it. Okay. Let's see here. I think we have the block. Let's show how we can install this cover, this protection. I think is a quick protection. Good. And you can change it in what angle you need to grinder. This is the button. How we can release this? Let's see. How I push, but don't come out. So we extract it. We have here another tool, I think another protection. I think this cover can be installed like this. So this is the correct way. We can install back this plate and offer you a very good protection. No sparks can arrive to you to damage your eyes, but I recommend to wear safety glasses, safety gloves. Don't play with this. Let's see again how we can take it out. Have here a position. I take it out. So let's dismantle this. I will see later. I have the classic key. Let's see what we have in this box. We have two fixing plates. So we have the classic one. And from here I think we can block, yes, we can block it to extract. So this is the classic one, and from what I know from DeWalt, we have here no, this is the support. We must install this plate first, and after that we put this. It's not a fast release. This is the support plate. Have here two lines. You must install it here, and that's all. This is the new Bosch GWS18V-8 model. Is a professional cordless angle grinder. Is a professional cordless angle grinder. I like it because it's small. Let's make a small test. I have here an ampere power battery, is a 4 amps. Very easy to install and extract the battery. Is a full battery, and let's see. Look, have a soft start. It's very light. The body have 1.7 kilograms, and the battery depends on how much is the capacity of the battery. See you next time.